Hey everyone, Ethan here from Extreme RC 4x4. I hope you can hear me okay over the wind, but what I'm doing out here today is rebuilding this section of the course. Usually when I make the update videos, I show you guys what's going on out here, but I thought you might enjoy seeing some of the process today. So my goal is not to remove all of this, but the center section is really washed in here, and I think there's a bunch of rocks in the bottom of it, so we're gonna dig it back out and widen it back up again because it's pretty tight through there, not getting a truck scratched. So put you guys on a time lapse so you can watch that, and I hope you enjoy seeing it. Alright guys, the wind outside today was just a little bit too strong to be able to hear me in the video, so I'm going to do my best to talk y'all through what is going on out here. As you can see, I have dug this whole area out and I kind of sloped it on both sides. On the left I have all those fake rocks. I'm going to show you a second. This is what they look like when all the weeds grow in. I have it on this big bank here. They're not really an obstacle because they're so smooth, but more or less just hold the dirt back. And then on the opposite side I have the broken up cinder blocks. This is more of the area that I'd be driving on, as well as some of these larger rocks that I've thrown in the center and towards the end here. And then over towards the right side I smoothed that out. There was a pile of those rocks right there, and I just smoothed that area out so you can walk through there and just maneuver the trucks around in there a little bit easier. But just ultimately cleaned the area up and made this center section where you drive through cleaner, because some of those cinder blocks are being pushed in the center and it couldn't get the power wagon through there. Alright everybody, I was going to place this board in on this left side like I have here on the right side, but decided not to because I already have these boards on this side here and the bridge that's kind of rooted itself in there so you can climb in and out with the trucks. I might work on this side another day, but what I did on this approach for the exit out is I filled it with some large rocks and a chunk of concrete, and then on this border up here I just put some more of those fake rocks, and so that's going to help hold the bottom of those boards in and just slow the erosion of dirt into the bottom and have to dig that out again. So that should make this a little bit more fun to climb out of there when we are wheeling. And then this I'm gonna clean up this dirt here, so that this will all just be a level area where you can walk around, and I can mow all in there without having to worry. And there's lots of sticks and crap I need to pick up around here that I didn't get to last year. Hopefully this year the track will be a much cleaner environment, so it's easier to come out here and film without having to clean everything up, I guess. But anyways guys, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more stuff like this, please let me know and I'll make sure to post it up. Sometimes I'm just not sure if you guys will enjoy a video or not, so putting this one out there for you guys. But thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.